Forgotten username recovery failed on Greenlight Fix. If your Greenlight username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume Greenlight still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Greenlight now uses your registered email as the main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Greenlight app or go to the website. Enter your registered email instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Greenlight, like account statements, card alerts, or transaction notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't arrive immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Greenlight support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Greenlight removed usernames to simplify login and enhance security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Greenlight account in minutes.